Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to make a decorative Christmas plate. You will need a brush, Mod Podge, a plate, I got mine from the dollar store, Decoupage, I chose this cute bird, some rubbing alcohol, and a cotton ball. First, take the rubbing alcohol and wipe where you will be placing the decoupage. Now we're going to brush the Mod Podge onto the plate where we're going to put the decoupage. Carefully place the decoupage in the correct spot and lightly press the creases out of it. Once that's dry, put a coat of Mod Podge on the top of that. I put at least 2 coats of Mod Podge on my plate. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe!